It connects to the proportioning valve right here. You can see. There we go.
All right, we can put a little WD-40 on there. So this is a coupler you're going to need. The one I just took off. So it comes with a new one. I have it attached here to the top, and it's going to go to the proportioning valve up front. Okay, so look down there. You should be able to see the whole cable.
Two teeth. Upper part couples to this, couples to the couple I just replaced. You get two couples. That's it. That's the main line.
We're all set. So let's get out of the car and route it through there. First, got to get this top one off. I usually have to spray WD-40 on it.
Go back. Just ripped off right there. Gone. There's your loop.
The old one is gone. So I just basically falling apart. It's rusted out. Too many years of Minnesota winters. Just rust your stuff out, man. I'm just gonna pull it out of these clips one by one. Take my time till I get it done here. Yeah, I got that clip off. Bend that out of the way. And head on up to the next clip.
That is truly amazing. There we go. It came out there. You try to slide it out. You gotta go from the top. Remove that portion. We'll try to spin it a little bit. Like that. Remove that. Once you clear it, you cleared it now. Yep. You're able to keep that in structurally sound. Pull off the side. Now we need is the top. Yeah. Alright, that should be it. Oh, there's one more connector right there. Oh my, oh, that's just a push in. You look straight down, you'll see another connector right there. We're just gonna push this out from this location. See it moving around very easy and freely. Yeah, if I can get a perfect angle. You get a screwdriver in there. Let me get my hand there. Just pop it out without damaging something else. Yeah, she's free. She is free. Now, I think we're gonna figure out how we want to pull it through. Or I may just snap it off. Okay, we got the top part off, and it looks like we got them lined up with the new hose. I think this is representative of this. The curves are almost exact. Wow. This curve is perfect. And for the extension, they gave us a coupler and the extension. So, see, here's a coupler and an extension that should lead to the end right there. Looks like they're about the right distance. So we're going to start by putting this in first. Tape this up so we don't get any dirt in it. See what we can do here.
Okay, we're gonna slide it up down through the front of the engine compartment through this hole. I'll go from under the car, and we'll position it.
There you go. He's in there. Now,
Push in the clips.
down on it. Snap this in place. Tighten it up. That's it. Right there.
Secure everything.
Now let's go to the top, finish that up. Almost home with this baby. I better tighten that up too. It should be perfect fit. Oh my goodness, it's perfect. Perfect. Start with your hand first so you don't cross thread it. So we have the clip on. Perfect. Unfortunately, we don't have that flex connector, but I don't think we're going to need that. We got the cable there. Right down there, you can see it connected. Yeah, so we continue down at the bottom. There you go. Goes right into this channel. Right there. That's connection. Going to the connector there. And you're done. Bleed the brakes after that. Also got to tighten down these connectors here.